Here are the top 5 corporate projects before starting a life sciences business. Number 1, choose your type of business. Are you going to be a C Corp, an S Corp, an LLC, something else? Why did you choose that? Know that, because people are going to ask you why you chose it. C Corps are great if you're going to be bought out eventually. S Corps are great from taxation purposes. LLCs give you some flexibility, but they aren't as preferred by venture capitalists and the like. So those are all trade-offs. And again, you might be able to switch back and forth, but it's better to go in there with a plan. Number 2, register your company in the relevant state. This is one of those things that, are you going to choose Delaware? Are you going to choose LA? Are you going to choose the state you're in? Why? Make those decisions because they will have an impact on your taxes, who you can employ, and how things work out. Number 3, get a federal EIN. This is going to become one of those key pieces, whether you're opening up a bank account or you're doing something else. That's going to be a very critical piece for you. So get your EIN. Number 4, register your unemployment insurance number. So every state has a department that you probably should be talking to and registering as having a unemployment, if you have employees, where you're going to register them. And that becomes really important because that tells you how often you need to pay your taxes, your quarterly taxes or anything like that, and your payroll, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So your top 4 so far are choose your type of business, register your company in the relevant state, get an EIN, register your unemployment insurance number. The next 2 are sort of optional but highly recommended. One is open a bank account. And the reason you open up a bank account is, well, if you're doing this as a business, you probably will make some money. Where you're going to put the money, you probably don't want to be mixing your private and your personal money and your company money. So this becomes a way to do that. And your last one is, if your business is unique, you're going to have a business that's going to take off, you probably want to consider registering your trademark. So your 6 things, I said 5, but we're going to give you a 6th one, is choose your type of business, register your company in the relevant state, get an EIN, register your unemployment insurance number, license your trademark, get a bank account. So did I miss anything? Was there something I should have had? Feel free to leave me a comment. Otherwise, hit the like button for me.
This is the Darshan Talks podcast, regulatory guy, irregular podcast with host Darshan Kulkarni. You can find the show on Twitter at Darshan Talks or the show's website at darshantalks.com.